Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to change icon shape on your CUBOT X20. First step, go into Play Store and find X Icon Editor application. This one. Then click Install, waiting for downloading and installing. Then click Open and go in this application. Next, wait a few seconds for opening. Then you click to close this advanced. So then choose, for example, Chrome application. Maybe this. And here we got shape of our icon. For example, star, rectangle, or something else, for example star. And on the top we got a background color, so we can non-background color or something, for example yellow, green or white. So without background color, and click shape, for example star. Then click to OK, save this icon, close advanced one more time, add automatically, and our home screen we got a new Chrome icon, for example like a star. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs ups and subscribe to our channel.